Welcome back to Trend Cars. Today, we're diving into the heart of one of the most exciting track machines on the planet, the Alpine A110 GT4. A car that's not just a modern-day marvel but also a nod to Alpine's legendary motorsport Harry, love track-focused, high-performance machines, then you're in for a treat. Meet the Alpine A110 GT4, a car that's taking the racing world by storm. Let's break down what makes this car such a formidable force on the track. The Alpine A110 GT4 is a stripped-down, race-prepped version of the already spectacular A110. This car is built for one purpose: dominating the racetrack. It's lighter, more powerful, and more aerodynamic, making it a true competitor in the world of GT4 racing. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces around 330 horsepower. It might not sound like much at first, but when you combine it with a lightweight chassis and race-tuned suspension, you've got a car that's perfectly balanced for the track. What really sets the A110 GT4 apart is its handling. This car is all about precision. The lightweight aluminum body and mid-engine layout give it incredible balance and agility. It's like the car is glued to the road, with every turn feeling crisp and controlled. The GT4 is equipped with a race-spec suspension and a sequential gearbox, which delivers power to the rear wheels with lightning-fast shifts. Plus, with its aerodynamic enhancements, including a large rear wing and front splitter, the A110 GT4 generates significant downforce, keeping it planted at high speeds. Alpine has a rich history in motorsport, and the A110 GT4 is a testament to their racing pedigree. Competing in the GT4 series, this car has already proven itself as a serious contender. It's a perfect blend of old-school Alpine spirit and cutting-edge technology. The A110 GT4 is a joy to drive. It's responsive, predictable, and has a really neutral handling balance. Whether you're braking hard into a corner or accelerating out of one, the car gives you confidence. It's no surprise it's become a favorite among GT4 teams. Beyond its performance, the A110 GT4 is also a stunning piece of design. It retains the classic lines of the A110 but with an aggressive twist. From the carbon fiber components to the stripped-out interior, everything is purpose-built for racing. Inside, it's all business. You've got bucket seats, a full roll cage, and a digital dashboard that gives you all the vital info at a glance. This is a car that's all about function, but it still looks absolutely fantastic. So, there you have it, the Alpine A110 GT4. A car that embodies everything we love about motorsport. It's fast, it's agile, and it's beautifully engineered. Whether you're a racing enthusiast or just appreciate a well-built machine, the A110 GT4 is definitely a car to admire. Thanks for watching. You to like, subscribe to Trend Cars, comments car you see you next one.